Hello, everyone. Myself, Dr. Veena, Associate Professor, Department of ISC, Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management, Bangalore. Welcome to the lecture video on Packages and Lab Program 10 of Object-Oriented Programming with Java, subject code BCS306A for third semester under VTU 2022 scheme. So Lab Program 10 states like this. Develop a Java program to create a package named MyPack and import and implement it in a suitable class. So before we write a Java program for the same, let us see what exactly a package is, how to create a package, and how to import that package in any of the other programs and implement the methods or create a object of the respective class of the package. So when we talk about package, what do you mean by a package? In a simple word, you can say that package is nothing but a folder. Package is nothing but a directory, which contains the number of classes and interfaces as a bundle. And you can also say that package is one of the object-oriented feature of Java. Package, when we talk about Java, provides a mechanism for partitioning the namespace into manageable chunks. And this mechanism is known as a package. So mean to say that there is a namespace, and if you divide that namespace into multiple manageable chunks, then that mechanism is called as a package. And every package can have a bundle of number of classes and interfaces. Package is basically a container. That means it is a group of related classes and interfaces, and it can be imported to other programs to access the members. To give you the example, you can say that java.util. We all seen that, suppose I want to read the data from the user or through keyboard, you always create an object of scanner class. And whenever you create an object of scanner class, you must import a package called as import java.util.scanner or java.util.star. That is what the first statement you write it in a program whenever you want to import that particular package or whenever you want to use the class that is scanner. So what exactly that scanner? Scanner is a class, but that scanner class meaning and that scanner class is stored in a separate folder, in separate package, and that package needs to be imported in the given program. So java.util is a package which contains the respective class and which you can use it. And when we say java.util, so you can say that util is a package which is stored within a Java package. Package names and directory structures are very closely related. As I have told you, package name nothing but acts as a folder, nothing but acts as a directory. So whatever classes you want to store it and put it in a separate directory or a folder, you can create a package in Java and put all those classes interfaces inside the package, and you can use those classes or that particular directory in any other program you want it. Example, suppose college.faculty.isc is a package name. Then that means that there are three directories. What are the three directories they have is college, faculty, and ISC. And you can also say that faculty is a sub-package or a sub-directory or a subfolder of college, whereas ISC is a subfolder or sub-package of faculty one. So first, it is mandatory that you should create a directory with the name college, or you should create a package with the name college. In that college, you will have one more package named as faculty, and in that faculty package, you will be having ISC. So whatever the classes and interfaces you are storing it in an ISC package, that can be from faculty and college as the parent packages and all. So you have to import this package in the given program. So here you can say that whenever we talk about a package which is acting as a folder which stores the number of classes or number of interfaces together, package has both naming and visibility control. Naming in the sense for that each partition you can give the particular name, and visibility control will tell that whether the subclasses or the members of the class are accessible outside this package or not. So you can say that naming is what? It defines the namespace in which classes are stored. And visibility control mechanism basically provides the levels of protection to allow the visibility of members within a class, subclass, and packages. So whenever we want that some of the related set of classes, I want to store it and keep it somewhere so that I can use those classes anywhere in any other program. So the best solution for the such situation is create a package, store all the classes into that particular package, and use that package whenever you want it in any other program. You need not create the classes again and again in the rest of the programs. So when we talk about package, there are two types of packages. One is inbuilt package and the other is user-defined package. Inbuilt packages are packages which are already known to Java system. So where we say that you can just import those packages and you can use those packages like java.util, java.lang, or java.io and all those. So what do you mean by these independent is, so you have to also make sure that whenever you create a package, store always the related number of classes and interfaces into that particular package. So just with an example, suppose you say all mathematical functions will be stored in the math package. All input output related will be stored in IO package. All the utility related classes will be stored in util package. And all the lang related statement, like in the previous example also you have seen exception, arithmetic exception and all those. So those are all the predefined classes only which are stored in the packages. So these are called as inbuilt packages, but you can also create your own package. And that package is called as user-defined package. So user-defined packages are basically the packages created or defined by the user. And there is a restriction or there is a condition that if you want to create a package, it is mandatory that there should exist a directory or a folder with that particular name, because package is going to act as a folder. So first you should create a directory and the name of that directory and package should be exactly same. And then you can store n number of classes into that. Like the example I have written, my package suppose is the name of the package I want to create it, which is not known to the system. That means it is not an inbuilt package. In fact, it is a user-defined package. So first you need to create a directory with the name my package, and then you can create the same package name in that directory and you can store all the classes within that particular directory or a folder. So that the moment you import this particular folder or package, you will be able to take all those classes into consideration and you can access the members of those particular classes using object. So this is how basically the package concept is and what are the different types of packages. As far as package creation is concerned, that package creation will changes from ID to ID. So I'll take you to IntelliJ ID also, and I'll show you how to create a package and how to store the classes into that. The method, maybe concept is exactly the same. Maybe the steps will change from ID to ID. So what are the steps to create and import a user-defined package? I have just listed it out. What is the first step is you should create a directory with the same name you want to create a package with. The second one, the first line in the program should be package followed by package name. Whatever the package name you want to create it, that package name will be exactly same as the directory name. And you have to add that line as the first line in the program. So what is the example I have written? Like package is a keyword followed by my package. So my package is a package name which I want to create it. And it should be created in the folder named my package only. The third step is once the package statement is given, you can store the n number of classes with the public access specifier in the program. Why do you need public access specifier? Because you are going to use these classes and the members of classes outside the package. And we all know that whenever you want to access the members of the class outside the package, the access specifier must be public. Otherwise, they will not be allowed to access. To access that class outside the package or other program, import the package in the respective program. So first three steps, when we talk about, we say that we are creating a package, storing all the classes into that particular package, and we are treating it as a folder. And whenever I want to use the contents of that particular folder or package, that package I need to import it in any of the respective program using the first line statement as like this: import followed by package name dot class name or star. What do you mean by class name is I can just import only a one particular class, or I can import all the classes and whichever class I needed from that package, I can use it. So if you want all the classes to be imported in the given program, I can make use of star. Otherwise, you can just say give the class name which only you want to import it. This is how you can import. And one more thing you should keep it in mind that package can contain the sub package. So suppose you have one package with the name P1 followed by P2, you should always create a package as P1.P2. So suppose I want to create a package with the name P1. In my package, you will be writing package my package.P1. So that is how you should be able to create the packages and sub packages. So you can see here, I've just written. So star is used to import all the classes of that package, and if the class name is specified, then only that class can be accessed. Example, import my package is a package which you have created. .star you have written. That means all the classes which you have stored in a package, my package, can be accessed in this particular program. This is how the steps you should know. Just an example. Suppose we say we have created a file with the name myclass.java. I want this my class is nothing but a class which should be stored in a separate package. So I am creating a class with the name my class, in which we have just stored the method, or which we have defined a method named as show, which contains some statement like my class show and all. And this class, I want to put it in a separate package. So what is the name of a package is my package. So what should be the first line in myclass.java is package, my package. So if this code you analyze, it's very simple to say that there is a class created named my class, and this my class is stored in a package named my package. So my package is acting as a folder. In that folder, there is a class called as my class. And in my class, there is a member called show method. And this method can be called using the object of my class by importing my package in the respective program. You can see here, there is a suppose program called as main.java. So what is the first line we have written here is import my package.star. So my package is a package we have created, and we are trying to import all the classes or the entire bundle here. And we have created a main class, public static void main method, and I'm trying to create an object of my class. The moment you create an object of my class, it will first search, do you have a my class in the given main.java file? So you can see here, I have not created a class named my class in main.java. So definitely it will search, does it contain my class as a class in my package? So it will go to my package and it will check, is there any class with the name my class exist? If it exists, it will execute with the program. Otherwise, class not found exception will be raised. This is a simple example to know what exactly package and how you can import it. If you want to add one more class into this package, you create one more Java file. You can keep adding or create one more class, and first statement will remain the same. That is package, my package. Suppose you want to create a sub package, then you can say that package, my package dot. So that particular class will belong to the sub package which is in the my package. Again, there should be a folder existing with that particular package in the parent package. That you should keep it in your mind. So you can see here, the output of this will be my class show. Why the output is this? Because it is calling a show method via object obj. Obj is an object of my class, and my class is a class from my package. It will go to my package, it will take the meaning, and it will execute the program. This is how the output will be. So now, as far as lab program 10 is concerned, what is the statement talks about is you should create a package with the name mypack, and you should add some methods into that, and you should be able to use that particular package in the other program and call the methods. So what I have done here is we have created a package named mypack, package mypack. There we have created a class called as mypackage class, and there are two methods have been added. Just with the example. So two methods are what? Display message is one of the method which says that hello from my package class in mypack. And one more method I have added, that is a new or additional method I have added, which is doing the addition of two numbers. That is written A plus B. So this is how you have written the statements, or you have created a package named mypack and created one class with the name mypackage class. Now this class object, I want to create it in a separate program. So I need to import this. So I have to open a next file, and I have to create a new program in which I'll be writing the first statement as import mypack.star. And in public static void main, you can see you have created an object of mypackage class. Then you are calling the display message method via object obj, and you are also passing the numbers, that is 10 and 20, into add numbers. If you say this add numbers is of type static, as it is of type static, you can directly use only the class name. Otherwise, you can directly make it as it's as a non-static, and you can use the object of this particular class, and you can invoke the method from the same. And the result of that statement, or after calling the method, will be displayed on the screen. So this is how a lab program 10, a simple lab program where you have created one package and you have imported that package in the separate program. I'll just execute this program. I'll take you to IntelliJ. So here you can see here, as in IntelliJ is concerned, how to create a package, I'll just show you. Just you have to go to source folder, right click on that, click on new, and you have to click on package. The moment you click on the package, it will ask you what is the name of a package. So I'll say suppose package 1, something like this I will write. So you can see here in source, there is a folder created my package. In this my package, now nothing is stored. It's a blank folder. So you have to keep on adding the classes over here. How you can add the classes? You can just say new Java class. Suppose I say class name is C1. So you can see here, the first statement automatically appears it as package pkg1. So pkg1, because I have created a class in which folder? pkg1 folder. So that means the C1 class is going to be stored in the package pkg1. Now you can write whatever you want it here. Suppose I say public void show is the method. Inside this method, suppose I want to display some message like system.out.print. Maybe I'll just say C1 hyphen hello. It is a hello from C1 class, and I'll just close this. So this is what a class C1 you have stored it in a package. Now I can go here again, package 1. I'll just go to new, or you can go outside that particular package also, and you can always use that, or you can create that. So I'll just go to suppose package also. I'll just say I want to create a new class, maybe main C1, something I have written. So you can see here packages only come. So that means this class is also going to be stored. So I'll do one thing. I'll right now just delete this program. I'll go outside of this, that is package 1. I'll create a new class, maybe main pkg1, main for package 1. So the first statement what I will write here is, I'll say import pkg1.star. I'll do this. The moment I write this, that means what? It is trying to import the package, and now you can create the object of the class which you have created in package 1. I'll write public static void main. In this, I will try to create an object of C1 class. I'll just say C1 obj equal new C1. I'm creating the object. And suppose I say obj dot show. And if I run this program, let's see what it does. You can see here, C1 hello message has displayed, and this C1 hello message I have put it in actually which class? C1 class. So I have stored C1 class in package 1, and this package 1, I have used it in a separate program, that is main C1. That is this one, main package 1. You can see here. So this is how you should be able to create the package and import the packages whichever you want. So now as far as lab program 10 is concerned, I have already created a package with the name mypack. And in this mypack, you can see I have created in this mypack one package, one class. I have created one class named myPackage class, which contains a display message, which is going to display some message like display of myPackage class. And it is also having one method named as add numbers, 2 numbers. So whatever the numbers I pass, it should be able to add those 2 numbers and return it to the parent. So I have created one class named myPackage class that I have put it into a mypack. This already has got with the first line, that is package. That means this class is going to be stored in this. And now I have created one more program, suppose my package program, in which I have again created my package. Or you can do one thing. I'll just take this program from my pack to the source factor. See here. Now my package is the only class which is stored in my pack. Now I'll go to this one, my package program, I'll go. And here, if you say, here you can see the statement, import mypack.start. That means you are trying to import all the classes of which package? MyPack. And we have written the program in which this particular program, which is going to call the display message and add numbers from which package? That is my package. That is my pack as a package and my package class as a class. I'll just run this program. You can see here, the output says display of my package class, this is what we had written in that particular method of the package, my package class, which is stored in my pack. And the result of adding two numbers, that is 10 and 20. I have passed the values, that is 10 and 20. So it has given us the answer as 30. So this is how you have seen that class is stored in a separate package and you are creating an object in the separate program, in separate class itself, which is not being the part of same package also. So putting or storing the classes and interfaces in a package, first line should be package followed by package name. It can be sub-package also with dot as a separator or dot as a period to be used to have a sub-package into picture. And to use the classes or to access the members of the MyPack or access the members of a package, the first line will be import package name dot any particular class or number of classes like all the classes is star. This is how lab program 10 works. I hope all of you understood this and learned the concept of package and lab program 10. In the next video, I will be explaining you lab program 11. Thank you.